Hello everyone, welcome back to English Flow. My name is Daniel. I live in the United States. And today, I have a simple question for you. What if your English is already better than you think? What if you don't need more grammar books? What if you don't need to memorize 1,000 difficult words? What if all you need is confidence, practice, and patience? Many people say, Daniel, I understand English, but I cannot speak it. Some people say, I know many English words, but my pronunciation is not good. And some people say, I am afraid that people will laugh at my English. Well, let me tell you something. I understand you. I was not born speaking perfectly. No one was. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. So, please, stop comparing yourself to other people. Your English journey is your own journey. Today, I want you to make one promise. Please don't say, my English is bad. Instead, say, my English is improving every day. Let's say it together. My English is improving every day. Again. My English is improving every day. Very good. Now, smile a little. Yes, smile. Laugh softly. Learning English should not feel like a punishment. It should feel like progress. Small progress is still progress. Remember that. Now, I want you to listen carefully. Pronunciation is not magic. Pronunciation is practice. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is practice. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is practice. Everything becomes easier when you stop chasing perfection. Don't speak perfect English. Speak clear English. Don't speak fast English. Speak natural English. There is a big difference between speaking fast and speaking clearly. Many beginners make this mistake. They try to sound like native speakers in one day. Please don't do that. Speak slowly. Pause naturally. And enjoy the process. Now, let's do our first speaking practice together. Listen first. I can speak English clearly. Now, repeat after me. I can speak English clearly. Once again. I can speak English clearly. Excellent. Next sentence. I am learning every single day. Repeat after me. I am learning every single day. Very good. One more sentence. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Again. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Wonderful. Do you know something? Mistakes are not your enemies. Silence is. If you make mistakes while speaking English, you are learning. If you never speak English because of fear, you are not learning. So please, speak. Speak slowly. Speak confidently. Speak every day. Even if you make 100 mistakes. Keep speaking. Now, let me share my favorite rule with you. 5 minutes. That is all I want from you. 5 minutes of listening. 5 minutes of speaking. 5 minutes of pronunciation practice. 15 minutes every day can change your English completely. Do not underestimate small daily practice. 1 day becomes 7 days. 7 days become 30 days. 30 days become 1 year. And 1 year can completely change your confidence. Today is not the day to become perfect. Today is the day to begin. And believe me, beginning is always more important than waiting. Take a deep breath. Smile. And say this sentence with confidence. I can do this. Again. I can do this. One more time. I can do this. Beautiful. This is only the beginning of your English journey, and we are just getting started. Now, I want to tell you a small secret. Many people believe that fluent English speakers never feel nervous. That is not true. Even today, before giving an important presentation, many people feel nervous. Doctors feel nervous. Teachers feel nervous. Speakers feel nervous. Students feel nervous. Feeling nervous is normal. Please don't wait for fear to disappear. Speak English, even when you feel afraid. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Then confidence follows. Think about a child learning to walk. A child falls down many times. But the child never says, "Walking is not for me." The child simply tries again. Learning English is exactly the same. You don't fail when you make mistakes. You fail only when you stop trying. So, promise yourself today. Never stop speaking. Even when nobody is listening. Especially when nobody is listening. Because practicing alone is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. You do not need a perfect classroom. You do not need perfect English. You only need today's practice. Tomorrow can wait. Yesterday is gone. Practice today. Laugh softly. Sometimes we make learning English too difficult. We buy many books. We download many applications. We watch hundreds of videos. But we forget the most important thing. Speaking. Listening. Repeating. That is where progress begins. Now, I have a question for you. How many times do you listen to English every day? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 30 minutes? If your answer is almost never, then today can become your new beginning. Listen every day. Listen slowly. Listen actively. Do not simply hear English. Listen to English. There is a difference. Listen to how people pronounce their words. Listen to their pauses. Listen to their emotions. Listen to their confidence. Everything teaches you something. Now, let's practice together. Listen carefully. Today is a beautiful day. Now, repeat after me. Today is a beautiful